This is a quick guide on how to buy shares of Livewire Group Inc, LVWR, on NASDAQ, and a brief overview of the company's digital media and financial content activities. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To proceed, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LVWR to find the Livewire Group listing. Select the result that shows LVWR on NASDAQ to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company profile and look at the price chart to confirm you have the correct listing. Ensure the ticker reads LVWR in the exchange's NASDAQ before continuing. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and the platform will ask you to deposit funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed or pending, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account and follow these steps.